Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I wasn't going to make a second part, but in this video's only been out like 3 hours, and two different people asked me different questions. One of the questions was, well, we'll just get to it when I make it. I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker lines. So the first question was, so I'm going to make my ellipse, I'm going to hit P. The first question was, why did I convert it to an outline or the outline to an object? So I'm going to answer that one first. So I'm going to, let me set my nudge factor on like, well, let's make it 12 inches. And I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 14. And I'm going to nudge this one out of the way. So it is a line. Now I'm going to control, that's why I don't like control D sometimes. Control D and rotate it 45 degrees. And I'm not working the center of the page because I don't have to, because it's a centerable or symmetrical item. But now I'm going to convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to control D, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. So that was the first question. Why do you do that? Well, here's why I do it. And the best way to explain, and it's kind of ironic, this will answer the second question. He asked, why don't you use the Smart Fill tool? Look at the Smart Fill on this one versus this one. It's because it's going all the way to the hairline. So it didn't really matter what size I made the line. See, that went over, it's overlapping, so it's not going to even work. So that's why I convert it to an object. The reason I don't smart fill them, I could very easily. So this thing is 12.5 by 12.5. If I make my ellipse 12.5, you hit P just to check it out. And if I nudge it out of the way and I make it that blue, this has to be grouped together for this to work. And this is why I did this. I select them both, and I'm going back minus front. I didn't have to fill in those with blue, because the Smart Fill or the Smart Fill tool would have taken me all these, I don't know how many there are, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, there's 16 objects in there that I would have had to Smart Fill. So that's why I use front minus back. Anyway, hope that answered both their questions, and thank you for watching.